Hey, Munchkin's taking a nap, so I had a chance to share some more thoughts with you. After going to my county courthouse today, I was the only one that showed up, which is just fine. I live in a very conservative part of Indiana. But here are my thoughts. Ever since they overturned Roe, I have been randomly bursting into tears throughout my day. I am an estate planning attorney. I do wills and trusts and help people figure out how to transfer things after people die. That's what I do. I like it. I don't like death, obviously. Nobody does. I like being a small town family lawyer. I like working with folks one-on-one and helping them through this process when they're already grieving. I feel like make things easier, and that makes me feel good, and it helps me support my family. And so, but as I'm meeting with folks throughout the last couple of weeks, I keep tearing up because they're telling me about their moms and their daughters and their sisters and their wives, and I just keep thinking, are they going to be coming back to me to file a probate case because these women are going to die because something happens with I don't even know. I don't know all the medical terminology. I am not a doctor. That JD does not give me any kind of special powers with regard to medical terminology, because there's just so many things that can go wrong, and we all know that. I mean, I had a late pregnancy. I was older in life. It was high risk. I mean, there were just so many things I remember along the way that scared the crap out of me. Am I the only one that had that happen? Okay, so how many of those women are going to come back to me because we're going to have to file probate estates because they're going to die and their loved ones are going to miss them, and I'm going to have to help them through that process. That's what I'm worried about. And I refuse to believe that we can't come together, that Americans can't join together and say that an individual's right to make healthcare decisions with their doctor is something that we can all agree on. And I just think bodily autonomy is the next frontier. I think that we can get past, once we can get a constitutional amendment to ensure the right of privacy, then at that point in time, we can move forward. We can move forward with the idea of universal health care. We can move forward with the idea of universal child care and paid parental leave. We can talk about where we need to go in terms of legalization of marijuana and the decriminalization of other drugs, and shifting from a criminal justice standpoint to a treatment standpoint. I mean, we all know we need to do this, right? Nobody's ever figured out how. I never hear anybody